I'm shaking, drinking These last few weeks have been exhausting.
Not all slip rings are built for the same job. Here are 3, and where each one actually belongs. This one's built small on purpose. Compact design handles multiple signal loops in one go, specifically designed for space-constrained environments. Bit error rate for a terabit network, less than. Suitable for turntable applications with limited space. This one's made for tougher conditions. IP54, rated operating from -40 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius. 116.5 millimeters long, 119 millimeters in diameter, with 86 channels of 10A, 4 channels of 2A, 5 channels of RS422, and 3 channels of RS232. This one's about making installation painless. Easy to install, with stable signal transmission, and suitable for a variety of installation scenarios. Applicable to scenarios where installation efficiency is a priority. The right one depends on what your setup actually needs. DM us for the product manual and full specifications.